Welcome back to the Blaze Game channel with your boy Raji, and today I'm back here with another reaction video. Today's reaction video is to Team Edge, the Edge Games. And as we know, the top team right now is the Hammerheads. My team that I chose are leading in Edge points right now. And today's teams are the Mud Dogs, which is Jay, Fred, and Jordan versus the Hammerheads, Bobby and Marvin. The last time these guys went against each other, and the throwing, how many balloons can stop a throwing star? Hammerheads won and made the Mud Dogs have 0 edge points. So right now, the Mud Dogs are in last place. Hammerheads are number 1. Who will win? If you guys aren't subscribed, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, subscribe to the gang, show some love. Today's video is called We Survived 24 Hours Eating Only One Texture of Food. Who do you guys think is going to win out of the Hammerheads and the Mud Dogs? Now, if the Hammerheads do lose the Edge Games, I will be eating the world's hardest gummy bear. Now, I'm ready to hop right up into it. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and turn on bell notification for future uploads. Share the video and comment down below your favorite team. And go check out my Project 863 at the Matthias channel. You know what I mean? I'm ready to hop right up into it. Let's get it.
Today, we're gonna find out who can survive 24 hours of only eating one texture of food. Mud Dogs, here's your catch. You have to buy the chalkiest, driest food possible for the Hammerheads. Hammerheads, here's your catch. You guys have to buy the slimiest, gooeyest, ickiest food possible. You have to be back in 1 hour. Bye. Bye.
All right, guys, we're on our way to the International Grocery Store.
Oh, they're gonna enjoy this.
Oh, yeah.
Can we get some raw octopus, please?
Marvin, put this on anything.
Anchovy paste, stuffed eggplant.
That doesn't sound pleasant.
Let's get it. Let's just do it.
Bro.
Now, these are all the stuff that the
question is,
Mud
how many
Dogs
you
are
get?
gonna
What's even
have
the point?
to eat.
Oh my gosh.
Who buys this casually?
Apparently we do.
Who even is that?
Yeah.
So that means the Mud Dogs gotta get chopped
Should we
food.
get into this? This looks nasty.
Oh, why
for the
not?
Hammerheads.
We got the sushi grade stuff. Wow, that looks
Hopefully the
really
Hammerheads
good.
That was
is definitely
delicious,
gonna
but
prevail
they
in this
won't
one.
know it's sushi grade.
Also, they won't know how many pieces are in there. So if a couple are missing, how are they supposed to know that?
I want them to be seriously dehydrated.
How does instant coffee sound to you?
Like regular, or just eating it like that?
You gotta eat it like that.
It doesn't sound good. So it's perfect. Corn husks.
Ooh. That's dry, baby.
I got another idea right here, dude.
Tostada bowls.
This is what they can eat out of. You know what? We need something spicy, bro.
Spicy?
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Spicy.
We got all our stuff? We're done.
First meal you guys are gonna be preparing is the breakfast meal. You don't have to make it coup de grace, fantastic.
Coup de poo.
You want them to quit this challenge.
All right, we're gonna do an all-in-one breakfast. First, we start with our cereal, which is, what is this, chalk balls?
Oh, dude,
What?
that's hard.
All right. What cereal doesn't have milk? So we've got infant formula. Pour them some coffee. They're not gonna be able to get this down. Should we add water to any of this? Nah. All right, Bobby's gonna love the coffee. He loves coffee.
We've got some sweetener.
Oh my God.
That's not sweetener, that's stevia. It's gonna be sweet, folks.
I can taste it in the air.
Everything's just gonna be laced with stevia. All right, that's enough stevia. Now we will let the Hammerheads come in and make their own meal while we leave the room.
Oh, what an entrance.
It's about to get slimy.
What's for breakfast, boys?
Absolutely nothing good.
I'm telling you right now, this scares me. I think I see veins. That looks like an animal part.
Put some Kool-Aid Jello in there.
Really brings the whole dish together.
That is not Kool-Aid.
Oh, yeah. Ah! Oh, okay. Relax.
All right, so we
Oh! No! It's on my head. What do I do? It's on my head. I am 100% scared for you guys. Mud Dogs.
Yes?
serve them their breakfast.
We made you guys cereal.
The catch is that they're made out of chalk, and then the milk is powdered.
Infant formula.
Infant formula.
We got you guys coffee, but we can't add water to it. It's just, it's coffee grounds, but it's also, we had to add creamer, so we added infant formula. But also, we had to add sweetener, so we added like 10 packs of stevia.
Enjoy!
Oh, just got my eyes.
Hey, wait, let's see what this does.
Put a hole in it. Look first.
Cheers.
Ready to eat the chalk. You need the chalk.
Marvin, just remember, they have to eat what we got them. This is
Kind of true.
Let me see if I can stomp one of these clay balls into the ground.
Hey, watch
Oh wow, it's like cement.
We almost got you guys cement, by the way, but then we're like, they died.
Hold up, what?
Cheers.
Hey, I was saying, we got the short end of the stick with the slimy stuff. This is not good.
Oh, it's so bitter. Oh my god. Miss Sweetener does not help the bitterness.
Here, you love coffee though.
Yeah, but that was bitter. Mom
That's
did
right,
nice
Bobby. Tell
Get
him,
away
bro.
from him. Oh, so bitter. It's so bitter.
Bobby says Mama didn't raise a quitter, but she did raise a loser.
24 hours, baby. At least we get some water. Yeah. I hope you guys are hungry. I hope you guys have been saving your appetite.
I'm starved!
Oh, you guys look very cuddly.
What? Oh, cuttlefish?
Okay, we have an amazing plate of seafood. It is the most finest cuttlefish you can find. We wanted you guys to have a nice drink to go along with it.
Thank you!
So we took all the juices from the cuttlefish and whatever that is into one cup. Bon appetit.
I'm going for the big one because I'm a monster.
The cuttlefish is gonna try and cuddle.
This is
your
a
throat.
cuttlefish?
Oh, the sound.
Get it in there. I'm in the splash zone, bro.
That looks like intestines, bro. It's pickled.
No, it's an eggplant.
Oh! Bottoms up! How do I eat this?
Oh! Yeah, it looks like a booger, bro.
All right, bottoms up. Oh, tastes like cuttlefish.
Oh, no. Breakfast is over.
Thank goodness.
Go back to work, do what you gotta do. Lunch is in 3 hours. All right, so part of the rules, you guys, they both have to complete the challenge to get the point. If one of them drops out, they ruin it for the whole team.
Lunchtime.
It is now lunchtime, ladies and gentlemen. Time to go get the hammerheads first. Lunchtime! And lunchtime! Lunchtime! Now this is the real thing. Lunchtime! It's your turn to prep lunch. For the hammerheads. You're dumb, bro.
I am the best hide and seeker ever. Or hider.
Lunchtime!
Get that out of my face.
Lunchtime!
All right, guys, we're gonna start out with the Burgundy Snelles. This is the escargots.
No!
Whoa!
No!
Escargots.
Marky! Oh yeah, no. Hey, shot! Oh, that is foul.
Sound is just nasty, dude.
Bro, that's messed up. I just want to touch it. No, that's
Mackerel and sunflower spoil. That looks like tuna.
Gillette Fusion Fish.
I'm sorry, I do not like seafood
that's
at all.
brain.
I'm
That's
allergic.
brain.
Straight up brain.
Period.
Delicious. Cod liver.
That's
because
just
why not?
disgusting.
Might as well use every part of that fish.
Probably even if I wasn't allergic, I probably
It's a
still
dash of
wouldn't go
liver.
near it.
Oh, dang it.
No, Marvin! Stop, please. Marvin, don't be a bully, bro. See. Subscribe to the channel, you guys, because we don't want you guys to miss any of the season 2 content because it is gonna be slimy, dirty, and magnificent all at the same time, you know? So subscribe and hit that bell icon. Ha! And I'm telling you guys right now, you need to make this as unpleasant as possible because what you guys have next is borderline illegal.
What's that mark on your lip, bro?
You need me in the face.
Oh, that's right. I do need you.
Go watch our shorts. J-Fred need me right on the lip.
Tostada bowl for you. Tostada bowl for you. Oh, rice, baby.
Uncooked?
We got some from some sketchy Russian site. This is French fries in a tube.
Ew.
Oh, it's like mashed potatoes, but they're French. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. What does it need? It needs some protein powder, huh?
Yeah.
This will ensure that it's got plenty of flavor. No, oh, that's a lot. The garnish is a piece of clay. I think I broke your tooth.
I don't know if is that good to just ingest like that?
You eat it.
Baking powder, folks.
Just don't let them have any vitamin C because it'll create a battery in their stomach.
Only the finest Poseidon has to offer.
Ooh.
We have a couple different delicacies in your plate. So the thing that looks like a soggy chicken nugget is a gefilte fish.
That doesn't mean anything to me.
You know the gefilte fish that gefilte is? That fish.
It's weird. It's like beans and corn. I don't think that's. What is that? That's not fish. It's gefilte fish.
Is this a kosher meal?
Yes, sir, that's our kosher meal.
What's the name of it?
Gefilte. Gefilte fish.
Filk fish. Lots and bagels. That's my favorite. What's the name of this guy?
Gefilte fish.
Gefilte fish. Oh, what's the name of this fish?
Gefilte fish.
Gefilte. Gefilte? You know what this is? What is it?
Gefilte fish.
It's filter fish. Filter fish. You want something about filter fish? You want any of this? What's the name of the fish?
Gefilte fish. Gefilte fish.
Gefilte fish. All right. Okay.
The next one in the bottom right corner that you see
Gefilte
here
fish.
is actually cod liver.
Hey, I eat cod liver oil.
Very salty.
I feel like half a.
You should be okay, this is a warm Moving on to our final delicacy on the plate is the escargot. Now, it is snail that is deshelled for your convenience.
I want them to know that we're not gonna quit. It tastes like a bug. It tastes like the biggest, slimiest booger I've ever had.
Mixed with beans.
All right, it's time for you guys.
No, it's okay, I'm not hungry.
Take a bite of your chalk,
He's
Bobby.
trying to cut his.
Take a bite of your chalk.
Dude, I'm gonna break my tooth.
That's fine. Oh yeah, baby.
I'm really not happy about this video. I haven't smiled once, I think, since the camera started.
You're literally smiling right when you said it.
I haven't smiled.
I haven't smiled once.
Stand strong, Marvin. We're gonna win this.
I want them to eat the tostada too. So
All right.
I want a big bite.
Time to bite the bowl. Oh yeah, you gotta
You gotta put it on like a chip, you know?
yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
Tostada bowl.
Why is there egg in a burrito bowl?
Fried rice, dude.
Marvin's like,
Ladies and gentlemen, have you seen our merchandise? That's merchandise. That's merchandise. He's merchandise.
You can't buy him though.
You should go check out our merchandise.
That's the wrap on lunchtime, boys. Back to work. See you guys in 3 hours.
Could we make it like 10 hours?
It's dinner time! Whoa! Dang.
I'm here.
It's dinner time. Yo, look at it. Look at. Open your face.
Look at Bobby's face, it got real. Oh, is that supposed to be a tamale?
Yeah, it's a tamale. It's a traditional Mexican tamale.
There's nothing traditional about this.
We give you a dessert drink. It's just cake mix and cinnamon. Honestly, that sounds pretty good to me.
Yeah.
Oh, come on, give it, like, really fill your mouth up. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh!
Say it, don't spray it, dude.
That's all it really is.
All right, you don't get the dessert first. What you get is this authentic Mexican tamale. First, you got your sidewalk chalk.
You got the Crayola. Oh my goodness, dude.
So the next sidewalk delicacy, Bobby, are these giant snails.
No, it's not.
Snails?
Yes.
No, it's not. Wait, is this really a snail?
Yeah.
And then we got rice.
No, it's not.
It's a giant.
No, it's not.
That's a snail.
No, it's
Giant
not.
African snail.
No, it's not. It's like
It's a snail. It's a snail.
It's not. It's not.
Wrap it. Yeah, eat the
It's
corn
totally edible.
husks. Don't eat corn husks at home, friends.
I can't bite through that chalk,
Here,
dude.
here. I'll just on your jaw. No, the bigger bit snail, Bobby.
Oh, that was raw. This was
Yeah,
rock hard.
it's solid.
Oh yeah.
Bro.
Don't cut towards yourself. Oh yeah, go grab that piece. There it is. Take your bite, Bobby.
Come on. Ow.
It's gonna like cut you. Oh stop.
Oh, I was about to let it all out. Really? Dude, straight up.
Oh, he tried to dilute the taste of the snail.
Oh, smart man.
Oh!
Yes!
You guys have a freeze-dried ice cream sandwich.
This is actually nice.
That's not bad.
It's quite
Yeah, they're pretty good. I want some.
Boys, I have your drinks for you. This is everything you've already had. Marvin, what things have we added to this?
There's definitely some mackerel fluid, some escargot fluid.
I've eaten plenty of boogers in my life. We can get through this, Jordan.
Yes, you can.
Boogers! It's like it's just boogers. I don't know if I can do this.
No. Oh.
Can you do it?
You guys are rude.
This is mean.
It's so oily.
What? Why are you grabbing his throat?
Stop, bro. Just let it out or something. This is
Put your
mid-heave
face away
thing.
from me.
Jeez.
All right, we have the finest Poseidon has to offer. And also Gabriel from the fish market.
Why does that have worms, bro? It looks like it has parasites in it.
I said, can I eat? And he's like, yeah.
What is this? What is that?
It's moving. Wait, we gotta top it off with some
Escargots.
escargots.
Okay. I don't know about this, Jordan. Different? This is the fastest way to intestinal worms.
I'd wash your hands.
Why is it so...
You ever ate salmon
Because it's
before?
got snail juice all over it. That's terrible. This is what really irks me is that I see tentacles on here. I bet I could suction one to my tongue. Nope.
Dude, you got it.
This is literally horrific.
Yes.
Nope.
Dude, we were this close.
That's game. Hammerheads, get the edge points. Let's go. Hammerheads, congratulations for the points.
I think so.
Guys, go check out the Giant Ski Slope Challenge. It was a blast to film. You guys are going to really
That was a
enjoy
good
it.
video.
A lot of laughter on this one. And also check out this video right over here that YouTube recommends for you. We'll see you guys. Peace.
Peace.
Bye.
Oh my god, guys. That was a crazy video. That was a crazy one. I can't wait. Season 2 is lit of the Edge games. Oh my god. Big supporter, big support. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to Team Edge and the production crew, everybody in there. Like I said, I'm covering the whole Season 2 of the Edge games. And if the Hammerheads do possibly lose the Edge games, I will be consuming the world's hottest gummy bear. But for now, we're in the lead. Hammerheads are definitely in the lead. I can't wait for the next round. Thank you guys for watching this with me. I'll put the original link for the video down in the description below. Go check out my Project 863 videos where I will be covering Matthias, Sam, and Woods and Bailey on this Project 863, the Phantom, and Woods got arrested, and apparently the Simtech survivor died, and now we're getting to the question of how she died. Okay, this is crazy. So that means, could there be a possibility that there's more Phantoms out there? I don't know. I'll discuss that in the Matthias video I do of the new video that's coming out. I know. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and turn on bell notification for future uploads. Share the video and comment down below your favorite team. And make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to the gang. You know what I'm saying? Because we will be covering all of Team Edge, the Edge games, Season 2. And on that note, Blaze Gang, out.